Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the best TILR set series by Team Prepzone. So far we have already covered 15 really good sets, so I hope you are following it every day, and if in case you want this set to be directly in your inbox, you can ping me on this number, right? And I will directly send these LRDI links on your inbox. Meanwhile, we have this course starting, and we have 4 5 variants of discounts that is currently going on basis your college. If you're from IIT, NIT, or BETS, you have a discount offer. If your 10 12th is above 85%, you have a discount offer. If you have any diversity, we have you a discount offer. And if your pass CAT percentile is above 90, you have a chance to get enrolled to the Prep Zone personalized attention course. And unlike other coaching institutes, we don't give and believe in the recorded videos. Everything happens live here. So I remember yesterday only two students have came to me saying कि सर मैंने 18-20 हज़ार रुपए वेस्ट कर दिए हैं in some other coaching, and अभी वहाँ पे सिर्फ recorded videos होते हैं, random past year students ही share कर रहे हैं. And now I got to know about you quite late, and now I want to enroll to your course. What do I do? मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. So make sure that you don't go with the big names, and only if you know mentor personally, only if the mentor is in constant touch with you, then make an informed choice. Okay, chalo. So this is the set for the today. Kindly pause your video, solve this set. I've tried to bring questions as well as the entire set on a single slide so that you don't have to waste your time and in switching between the slides in the video duration. So just pause the video, solve the set, comment your time taken and approach, and keep sharing this initiative with your friends. This is a very, very beautiful set. So if you are able to solve this set by yourself, I think your DLR is quite sorted. You can easily score 99.5 plus if you're able to solve this set. ठीक है, चलो. So let's see what is given to me. We have 10 students are sitting in two rows of 5 each. ठीक है, we have two rows here, and हर row में we have 5 columns. So there are 10 students who are sitting here. The student scores were all multiples of 10, with no two of them receiving the same score. Okay. Use the following information to determine which student sat in which seat, and the test score of each student set. So we have to find कि यार column 1 में which person is sitting, and what is his score, and we have certain information that is given to me, and then questions are around key who is sitting against whom, who's sitting in row 1, which means I will definitely have to identify all the sitting places and their scores. Okay. So now score that is given to me is Honey set between Ishita and to the student making 82%. 82% is nothing but 410. Okay. So one score is having 410, which is also the lowest grade on the test. By the way, if there are 10 students and the lowest is 410, so I can reduce, and all the scores are multiple of 10, right? It is given to me. All the scores are multiple of 10, which clearly means that the scores are 410, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 500, right? These are the 10 scores. Then information is Gauri and the student scoring 470 set in diagonally opposite. Okay. Chana set numerically between bit 2 and the student scoring this. Okay. Although these three students are not necessarily in the same row. Okay. They set numerically somewhere between bit 2 and the students. ठीक है. Numerically मतलब जैसे for example seat 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numerical arrangement, right? तो वो कहीं बीच में है. Fine. Similarly, Akhil set somewhere between 8th and the student scoring 490. ठीक है. फर्स्ट कॉलम में जो बच्चे बैठे हैं उसका सम गिवन है. Jaya score is this much better than Deep. Okay. And the average score of those in column 2 is same as column 4, but is 5 less than average of those in column 3. ठीक है. The student with the lowest score of those in the first row sat directly in front. ठीक है. फाइन. तो आई थिंक मुझे सबसे पहले आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि यार रो 1 में कौन से स्कोर्स हैं, रो 2 में कौन से स्कोर्स हैं, एंड देन आई कैन यूज दीज इंफॉर्मेशंस एंड ट्राई टू मैप कि किसके सामने क्या है. Now, the average test score of those in the first row is 46 points higher than the average of those in the second row. Now, this is the most crucial information that is given to me. Okay. So let's try to fill this table. I have just replotted the entire information so that I can see it and use it here itself. Okay. Perfect. So let's see what all information was given to me. So I know कि say for example what all are the possible scores. यहाँ से हमने ये तो deduce किया था that the possible scores is nothing but क्या होंगे 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, similarly 460, 70, 90 till 500, right? These are the scores because 410 is the lowest score. And these 10 scores should be in row 1 and row 2, right? So I know ki row 1 plus row 2 is nothing but sum of all these numbers. And second information that is given to me is your average test score of those in the first row is 46 points higher than the average of those in the second row. This is the average. And in first row, I have 5%, which means sum of all the scores of person sitting in row 1 is 46 into 5, which is nothing but 230 points higher than the average of then the sum of the scores of those person who are sitting in row 2. Okay, this is a very crucial information, but then now I'll have to focus. If 410 to 450, I have 5 terms. In 460 to 500, I again have 5 terms. So let's say for example, I say कि यार row 2 में सारे छोटे लोग बैठे हैं 410 to 450 and row 1 में सारे बड़े लोग बैठे हैं 460 to 500. Then what would have been the difference? Again, the smart way is not to sum them, but to clearly say कि यार 410 and 460 में difference is 50, 420, 470 में difference is 50, 450, 500 में difference is 50. So answer has to be 50 into 5. 250 का difference is the maximum difference that is possible, right? Now I want the difference to be 230, which means I want this difference of 250 to be reduced by 20. Now, when can the difference be reduced by 20, right? So you will think on this. Then you will realize that the only possibility is if I have two numbers जिनका difference is 10. ठीक है? If I have two numbers जिसका difference is 10, if I just swap those numbers, then my difference will become 20. Correct? Because अभी क्या हो रहा होगा? Plus 10 हो रहा होगा. Then if I swap it, then it will be minus 10. So the net difference will be 20, right? So यहाँ से I can see that the only numbers जिनका difference 10 है is 450 and 460. So if I swap them, if I say कि यार यहाँ 460 होगा और 450 यहाँ पे होगा, then I can see that yes, difference is going to be 250 minus 20 equals to 230. And that would be the only way to have this difference. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से मैंने ये निकाल लिया कि यार सेकंड में द एवरेज टेस्ट स्कोर ऑफ दोज इन फर्स्ट रो इज हायर, राइट? तो आई नो कि फर्स्ट रो में कौन से लोग हैं, राइट? तो आई विल जस्ट से कि रो वन में all those people who are in row 1 are nothing but 460 को मैंने 450 से स्वैप किया था, राइट? तो 450, 470, 480, 490 and 500, right? Similarly, in row 2, it is nothing but 410, 420, 430, 440, and 460, right? These are the scores of row 1 and row 2, and I've used this information properly. Great, we use this. Okay, now let's see what other information is given to me. The student with the lowest score of those in the first row sat directly in front of, ठीक है, the highest score of dot in the second row, which means इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ? इसका मीनिंग हुआ कि यार 460 और 450 are sitting opposite to each other, right? Which means 450 यहाँ से और यहाँ से 460 are sitting opposite to each other. Perfect. ठीक है. Next, what other? So I've used this as well. As in, I've written this. Then what other information can I use? ठीक है, this is about name. This is about name. The sum of the scores of the students sitting in the first column is 880. Column 1 में जो लोग हैं उनका sum कितना है? It is 880, right? Then I know column 2 का अगर x है तो column 4 का भी x होगा because column 2 and column 4 का average is same, right? It was given to me. कहीं तो था यार, point number 6. And column 3 का average is 5 points higher, which means sum will be x plus 10 points higher. क्यों? क्योंकि दो वैल्यूज है तो अगर एवरेज 5 पड़ा है तो सम 10 पड़ा होगा, राइट? 5 का ट्वाइस ले लूंगा मैं. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी इसकी सम 880 कब पॉसिबल होगा? 410 और 470 is of course one value. 420 और 460, but 460 तो यही है. 430 and 450, right? 430 and 450 is again one combination जिससे sum can be 880. ठीक है, और देखते हैं और क्या क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है मेरे पास क्लू 4 में. ठीक है, सो 430, 450 है, बट 450 हो सकता है क्या? 450 इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज 450 इज अगेंस्ट 460. ठीक है, एंड 440, 440 गॉन. 460 के अगेंस्ट इट हैज टू बी 420, बट 420 इज इन द सेम रो. सो द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी इज रो 2 में 410 होगा. रो 2 में इट हैज टू बी 410 का स्कोर, एंड रो 1 में इट हैज टू बी 470 का score. This is the only possibility to have the score of 880 in column 1. ठीक है, I've used this information as well now. अब मुझे ये गिवन था कि यार 470 के अपोजिट में कौन बैठा है? गौरी बैठा है. राइट. सो विच मीन्स 470 के डायगनली अपोजिट कौन सा नंबर है, ये रहा. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट गोरी. ओके, आई हैव यूज्ड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन एज वेल. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी. मुझे 410 पता है. आई थिंक देयर वाज वन मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, दिस वन, दैट हनी सेट बिटवीन इशिता एंड टू द स्टूडेंट मेकिंग 82% व्हिच वाज द लोवेस्ट ग्रेड ऑन द टेस्ट. ठीक है. इसका 410 स्कोर है. तो हनी इज सिटिंग समवेयर बिटवीन दिस एंड इशिता. ठीक है. हनी एंड इशिता. इशिता यहाँ तो आ नहीं सकती, इशिता यहाँ भी नहीं आ सकती बिकॉज गौरी यहाँ पे. इशिता यहाँ नहीं आएगी, देन कुछ बीच में होगा नहीं. यहाँ पे सिटिंग बिटवीन का मतलब है जब कुछ नहीं दिया, सो दिस मीन्स एग्जैक्टली बिटवीन, राइट, अनलेस सीक्वेंस इज मेंशन टू यू. ठीक है. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली बिटवीन. So if this is 410, then I know Honey has to be here, right? Honey has to be here because he is sitting between 410 and Ishita, right? Ishita. So Ishita has to be here. Great. I used information number one as well now. Okay. Okay. So now let's see what other information can I use. I also know कि यार 450 और 460 का score has to be आमने सामने, right? They have to be in front of each other. तो let's see. कॉलम वन में तो नहीं हो सकता, या तो कॉलम 2, 3, 4 या 5 में होगा. आई नो कि कॉलम 2, कॉलम 4, कॉलम 3 में कुछ एक्स 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 प्लस 10 वाला टर्म है, बट कॉलम 5 में नहीं है. सो कॉलम 5 इज एक्चुअली द ऑड वन आउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज गिवन टू मी. नाउ दैट इज माय हिंट. नाउ आई विल ट्राई टू प्लेस रो 2 व्हिच मींस यहाँ 460 एंड यहाँ पे 450. कैन आई हैव 460 एंड 450 हियर? आई नो यहाँ से if you are good with number system you should be able to visualize this is 410, this is 470, this is 460, this is 450, right? So four values are already gone. यहाँ पे जितनी भी values आएगी उन सबका sum कितना होगा, सबसे पहले ये बताओ मुझे. यहाँ पे जितनी भी values आएगी उन सबका sum कितना होगा? It will be somewhere between 410 plus 420 plus 430 plus 440 till 500, right? This has to be sum. Correct. उसमें से चार values we are seeing that they are already gone. 410 is gone, 470 is gone, 460 is gone, and 450 is gone, which means the only value remaining is these three and these three, right? Correct. Clear है, right? Correct. And यहाँ पे 480 plus 440 is nothing but 520. This is 520. This is sorry 920, 920, 920. So each of these three pairs का sum कितना है? 920. तो इन सबका टोटल सम कितना हो जाएगा? 920 into 3, nothing but 2760, right? This is the sum of all the values that will be coming in column 2, 3, 4. Correct? Because मैंने column 1 की values ले लिए and I have assumed कि 460, 450 comes in column 5. Then it means कि column 2, 3, 4 का sum कितना होना चाहिए? 2760. Now I know that this sum should be equals to x plus 10 plus x, which is nothing but 3x plus 10. Which means 3x should be nothing but 2750, right? Which means 2750 should be divisible by 3, right? Because x is definitely an integer because it is the sum of these two values. But 2750 का digital sum कितना होता है? 7 to 9 plus 5, 14. 14 का digital sum is 5 and that is not divisible by 3. So I will say कि यार ये वाला case is not possible, वरना if this is possible then this number had to be equals to 3x plus 10, but इसकी कोई solutions नहीं होते. So I will say कि यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता 2760. Sorry, 460 and 450, right? Then I will say कि the next odd one out is column 3 because column 2 and column 4 are symmetric to me because x x है, right? So I will say कि ठीक है, let's say कि यहाँ पे वो आ सकता है क्या 460 and 450. So if I have a 460 and a 450 here, तो इनका sum कितना हो गया? इसका sum is nothing but 510, right? 510, which means sum of column 2 and sum of column 4, sorry, sum of column 2 or sum of column 4 should be 510 minus 10, which should be 500. Let's see, do I have numbers? Do I have such two pairs जिनका sum 500 हो सकता है? Definitely मुझे दिख रहा है 420 अगर मैं लेता हूँ, so it has to be 420 plus 480. Right? The only number remaining will be these three and these three. So 420 plus 480 is one pair, but then उसके अलावा I can't have any pair for the sum 500. Is there any other way? See, the only possibility is कि मैं row 1 का भी फिर सबसे छोटा नंबर जो बचा है वो लूं 480 and row 2 का भी एक सबसे छोटा नंबर लूं जो बचा है 420. So I cannot have two possible pairs जिनका sum 500. Is this clear? The only possible pair is 420 plus 480. 420 और एक किसी के साथ नहीं होगा. 430 के लिए I have to have 470 which is gone. 440 के लिए 460 is required which is in the same row. So I cannot have any other possible pair जिसमें sum 500 हो. So which means कि यार 450 460 भी यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. It has to be in either in column 2 or column 3. So I know that the value of x is nothing but 510. I hope this is very much clear to everyone. So this has to be 520 and this has to be 510. And ये भी लिख देता हूँ कि दिस शुड बी इन कॉलम 2 और कॉलम 4. अभी मुझे नहीं पता कि यार कॉलम 2 में होगा या कॉलम 4 में होगा, बिकॉज दीज आर लाइक सिमेट्रिकल नंबर्स, राइट? ठीक है. Let's see what other information can be used. Abhi, can I have only one single combination for 520? No, probably, because 480 plus 440, 490 plus 430, there are multiple possibilities. So एक बार मैं और देखता हूँ कि what other information can I use? Correct. One additional information that was given to me was Jaya's score was 10 points better than Deep's. ठीक है. So let's try to write it down also. Yeah, let's say we have Deep, then we have Jaya, right? Then we have Fahad. These are the three person, right? Then Jaya's score was 10 points better than Deep's. So अगर Deep का x है, so this is x plus 10, and then Fahad का will be x plus 60, right? Because it is 50 points higher than Jaya. X plus 60. ठीक है? And I know if this is x plus 60 has to be less than equals to 500, so x has to be less than equals to 440. So the only possibility of for x can be 410, 420, 430 and 440. ठीक है, एक बार देखते हैं क्या x 410 हो सकता है. If x is 410, Jaya will be 420, which means they must come in row 2. Do I have two places? Yes, 410 के लिए एक place है and 420 के लिए Jaya हो सकता है. This is possible. Let's see 420 हो सकता है क्या. If I have 420 or 430, next will be 430 or 440, right, for Jaya. And 430 and 440 का score should be in row 2, which means I must have two places to place 420 and 430 का score. यहाँ पे सी 410 is already gone. यहाँ दीप हो नहीं सकता, यहाँ दीप हो नहीं सकता, यहाँ दीप और जया नहीं हो सकते. The only place remaining is one, but then I have 2% to be placed. One is Deep and one is Jaya. So I can directly eliminate that the values can't be 420 and 430, because if the values are 420, 430, I must have two places in row 2 to place Deep and Jaya, because they do not fit in any of the existing conditions. Let's say it is 440. If Deep का score is 440, यहाँ पे आएगा 440 का score, right? Then Jaya का score will be 450. 450 is actually coming in row 1, right? तो 450 का score कहाँ आएगा? नीचे आएगा. But let's see, अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि यार एक column 4 में 440 है and the sum is nothing but, I think यहाँ पे there was some mistake, right? Okay, I think this is not 510, this is 910. My bad. Okay, this is 910, this is 920, and this is 910 का sum. Now, if I'm saying कि यार यहाँ पे it is 440, then I know to have a sum of 910, I have to have a 470 score here, which is already gone. So I will say कि यार 440 is also not possible. The only possibility is 410. So here Deep होना ही पड़ेगा. If I have Deep here, 420 का score belongs to Jaya. So the only possibility is this, right? So, and then Fahad is nothing but 410 plus 60, 470. So 4670 का जो score है, that belongs to Fahad. ठीक है? If this is 420, this score has to be 490, because the sum of them has to be 510, right? So अभी मेरा 410 गया, 420 is also gone, 470 is also gone, and 490 is also gone, right? ठीक है. Let's see what other pair can have a sum of 910. Let's see. 450 plus 460 is one possibility. 480 के लिए 480 plus 430 is one possibility, and 500 के against कुछ नहीं. So I still have two possibility for 910. ठीक है. So let's wait. Let's try for 920. So 450 plus 470, not possible. 480 plus 440 is one possibility. 500 plus 420 is not possible. 510 is gone. So the only possibility is 480 and 440. So I will try to place 480 in row 1 and 440 here. Now 480 is gone, 440 is gone. The only thing remaining is 450 and 460, जिसका sum can be 510. So I will have row 1 में I will have 450, row 2 में I will have 460 का score. ठीक है? Now the only numbers that are left out is 430 here and 500 here. Great. So I think I've used ये वाली information as well now. The information number 7 is also used. This is also used. This is also used. The only information remaining is 3. 3 is saying that Chama set numerically somewhere between Bittu and the student scoring 410. 410 इसका आ रहा है. Chama set numerically somewhere between Bittu and this person, right? तो अगर यहाँ चमा आ रही है तो बिट्टू यहाँ आएगा। न्यूमेरिकली का क्या मतलब है, सीक्वेंस 4 5 6 में, ठीक है, बट आई डोंट नो बिकॉज अभी काफी ज्यादा प्लेसेस है, सो आई कांट से। सिमिलरली अखिल सेट समवेयर बिटवीन एकता एंड द स्टूडेंट स्कोरिंग 490। अगर 490 ये है एंड आई नीड टू प्लेस 2 पर्सन, राइट, तो 2 डेफिनेटली यहाँ तो नहीं हो सकते, तो 2 यहीं पे होंगे। नाउ ऑर्डर क्या है, अखिल सेट समवेयर बिटवीन एकता, व्हिच मींस अखिल को बीच में बिठाना है, सो अखिल हैज टू बी हियर एंड ekta has to be here, right? Which means the only two numbers that are remaining is this, and it was given कि chama set numerically somewhere between, तो chama between में आएगा, which means एक तो place 6 है, so chama has to be in place number 5, and this has to be bit 2 because chama set somewhere between bit 2 and the person scoring 410. So I filled the entire table. Now let's see what the question says. Question number 1: which of the following does not sit in row 1? Honey. Okay. See, honey is sitting in row 2, so definitely answer has to be 4. The pair of student who has the same average is Jaya, Chama, Deep, Fahad. Let's see, Jaya. Jaya is 420. Chama कहाँ गया? Chama is 500. So this is 920. Jaya and Chama. मुझे सिर्फ sum देखना है, right? If sum is same, the average will be same. Then Deep and Fahad. Deep is 410. Fahad is 470. No, the sum is not matching. Second is Ishita Honey. Ishita is 440 plus 460. 900. Deep and Chama. Deep and Chama. Okay, again, this is not possible, right? ठीक है. Deep and Chama. एक बार let me recheck my calculation. Deep and Chama is okay. ठीक है, करेक्ट, ये भी मैच नहीं कर रहा है, राइट, बिकॉज दीप का स्कोर इज 410 एंड चमा का स्कोर इज 500, सो इट इज 910. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हनी, एकता एंड जया, अखिल. हनी is this, ekta is this, 510. Jaya and Akhil. Jaya and Akhil. Akhil ये रहा. This is 500. So again, this is also not matching. So the answer has to be none of these. Correct? See guys, I think it is very important कि Bittu and Chama को how do you place it? Because the question here says कि numerically कहीं बीच में बैठा है. Numerically का क्या मतलब होता है? ये 4 5 6 वाला जो मैंने आपको ऑर्डर बताया. ठीक है? So the answer has to be none of this because neither of these three options have the same average. Which of the above statement is or are not required to solve the problem? I can see that I've used all the information to solve this problem, right? So the answer has to be none of these. The student sitting in column 3 is Ishita and Akhil. Ishita and Akhil. So answer has to be Akhil. Okay, so I think I've solved this entire set. This was one of the difficult sets you would ever come across. Hope you like the explanation. If there are any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Okay.